To delete a BeReal post, tap the three dots next to the timestamp and then tap Options in the bottom right corner. Then tap Delete My BeReal. Next, it'll ask you, why do you want to delete your BeReal? Select an option and then tap Yes, I'm sure. Then tap Delete. BeReal explains that you can only delete your BeReal once a day. You won't be able to delete the next one you post. If you would like to delete your BeReal account, go to Profile, then Settings, then tap Contact Us and tap Delete My Account. Follow the instructions and you'll be automatically logged out and your account will be permanently deleted in 15 days. If you log in again during those 15 days, the scheduled deletion of your account will be canceled. If you change your phone number, you will need to fill out a form to notify BeReal. See the description section for a link to the form.